Hello guys, good evening. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we are going to discuss how you can open a Microsoft Excel. A Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software which was developed by Microsoft, and it is part of the Microsoft Office suite, and it is used for organizing, basically analyzing, calculating, and visualizing data. So the key features which are in Microsoft Excel include things like a worksheet and workbook, rows and columns, formulas and functions, and then charts and graphs which you can use to perform your work. So what is the basic work, or what are the uses and the functions of Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel can be applied in the fields of accounting and budgeting, statistical analysis, data entry, for those who work in research and research generation. So for a beginner who has never used Microsoft Excel, how do you go about it? So on my screen here we have Windows button. So you come here and then you tap on it. So when you click on it once, it will bring for you so many things in the menu, and here we have the Excel. So you come here and then you click on Excel. So upon clicking, then you will be in position to have a blank workbook. So when you click on the blank workbook, it will open for you, and here you'll have a template for your Microsoft Excel workbook. So in this worksheet, we have series of columns and rows. So the columns are the vertical lines which you can see from here, and then the rows are the series of horizontal lines. Columns are named in letters A, B, C, D up to Z. So when you reach Z, you come to AZ, BZ, something like that. Then the rows are named in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So what I have tapped here, so in between rows and columns we have what we call a cell, and a cell always has a location. For example, here where we are is A, and then here is 1. So the description of this cell is A1. So this marks the different positions of the cells in this Microsoft Excel sheet. So cells are very important because it is the basic unit through which we can perform all our activities in Microsoft Excel workbook. There are also other features because, as we said, you can actually use this Microsoft Excel workbook to do data entry, do data analysis, and you can do calculations. So when you come here, you can be in position to sum up the data, you can add up the data which you have, you can be in position to get the average, count numbers, or maybe get the maximum and then the minimum numbers using this particular specification of addition, editing, and doing the rest of the things. Sometimes you may be interested during data analysis to insert things like maybe you want to insert pie chart. So you come to the menu bar and then you select insert, and then we have series of things you can insert. You can insert charts in terms of pie chart, the the bar chart, the line graphs, and all this. So this can be made possible using the Microsoft Excel. Other features which you may find out in Microsoft Excel include things like when you come here, you can use data and do all these other things with Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go to the subscription button and do so.